Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I have Lady Sings the Blues collection from Sista Chic Lacquer. This is the second collection for this series, and this one is honoring Amy Winehouse. So we've got some edgy and contemporary polishes, and I'm just going to hop right on in. This first one is called Big Hair Out to There, and it's a gorgeous midnight blue with a ton of rainbow micro glitter and tiny rainbow flakies and a little bit of glass fleck. Stunning. Cannot wait to swatch these. The second one is called Amy Winehouse, and it's a luscious purple base with dazzling peacock blue flash, and it's got a yummy formula. We will see. I will be swatching these real soon. And this last one from the collection is called Rehab, and it's a denim blue beauty with strong copper flash and a smattering of multicolored flecks. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to try this. And she's also added her anniversary polish. This isn't part of the collection. This is a separate, on its own polish, but I'm going to do all four of them today. So this one's called 2020 in the Money. Look at this. This one is just stinking gorgeous. It's a brick red jelly with tiny aurora flakies, glass fleck, tiny gold hexes, and tiny rainbow hexes. Look at that stunningness. Alright, so the launch date will be January 28th, which is Sista Chic's second anniversary. And I want to remind you that Sista Chic is 10-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. She does offer international shipping and have reduced her international and U.S. shipping prices for 2020. And remember that part of the proceeds always go to Project Rescue to help stop the sexual trafficking of women and children. So these are going to be $10 a bottle, except for the linear holographic, which is $12 a bottle. So I'm going to get my digits ready, and we're going to swatch these beautiful polishes. First up here is Big Hair Out to There, and this is just fantastic. I'm so impressed with her formulas. They go where you want them to go and don't, mess around the bush. I mean, look at that. One coat, beautiful. Here we go with our second coat of Big Hair Out to There. Look at that. All that sparkly goodness. Lovely, beautiful formula. And next up, we have Amy Winehouse, and this one's like a blurply blue, and oh, honey, the shimmer that bounces out of this one is insane. I am so crazy about this one, and I didn't know that this was going to be my favorite one. I actually had another one already picked out, but oh, look at that. Luscious, lovely, beautiful polish. So smooth and easy to work with. There's my swatch photos and a macro. So next up we have a Rehab, and this one was slated to be my favorite, and I do really love it. It is chocked full of gorgeous hollow. It does dry down a little bit textured, so you are going to want a top coat on this one. I could have got away with one coat easy, but look how pretty. Oh my goodness. So there are my swatch photos. And here we go with the bonus polish for the anniversary of Sista Chic Lacquer. Oh, are you kidding? Look how fantastic that formula is. Love it. So into it. And this second coat just makes it even more gorgeous. But I am going to do a third coat just to make sure there's no visible nail line. It is a jelly packed full of gorgeous shimmers and hollows, and oh my goodness. So if you're interested in any of these polishes, you want to head on over to Sista Chic Lacquer's website. There will be a link listed down below. I hope you enjoyed my swatches today. Please let me know what you think about this collection. And if I could have, I would have played some Amy Winehouse music on this video, but they would tag me and make me pull it. So we just had to listen to some other blues. But as always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.